Over a year ago, I was given an article called Flipping the Classroom, and after reading it, I began thinking about my own educational experiences as a student, but also my educational experiences as a teacher. I thought about how I responded to lecture as a student, even lectures by my most favorite teachers. And I thought about all of the instances in my own classroom when I had to lecture, even for 5, 10, or 15 minutes, to present new material due to time constraint, limited materials, or whatever. And I thought about the number of special education students I had in my own classroom of 20 to 30 students that weren't receiving my best because I couldn't physically provide it to them. Well, it was then that I took the ideas from the Flipping the Classroom article I had read and transformed them to benefit my classroom and my own students. Instead of students watching lecture or instructional videos at home for homework and then participating in practice and enrichment activities in class, I decided I would try making videos that my students would view during class to replace what would normally be lecture. I decided any new material I presented that would take more than 5 minutes of talking would be incorporated instead into a video. Using Windows Movie Maker, I make videos that always include music and some notes. In addition, the videos also may incorporate videos of myself, the teacher, mini demonstrations, formative assessments or quizzes, moments of class participation such as students standing up on their chairs or moving around the room, and bloopers or silly moments for brain breaks. Some videos are very short, not exceeding more than 5 to 6 minutes. These videos may include instructions or demonstrations on how to shade in the periodic table or how to count atoms in a chemical equation. Some videos may take up half of the class period or the entire class period, such as the graham cracker plate tectonic lab, that include many labs the students conduct during the video. With each video, notes are passed out to the students that are usually, but not always, in the form of PowerPoint slides, with 4 slides to a sheet. At the end of the video, students cut the entire packet of notes in half and quickly glue 1/2 of each page of notes into a page in their interactive science journals. Students understand that this process should take 2 minutes or less, depending on the length of the notes. Now students have something to refer back to, study, and my special education students are given the accommodations that they need. Having created over 30 different videos in the last year, I have noticed that my students are not only excited to learn new material, but that they are engaged and remember what they have learned. I see my videos reaching my various learners, especially those that are sometimes left out, such as my kinesthetic or musical learners. Although making the videos does take extra time and immense planning and preparation, as a teacher I have found that by utilizing the videos, it is almost like there is an extra teacher in the room along with me. As a video teaches my students, I am free to walk around the room and monitor for disruptions, encourage students to stay on task, help my special education students and struggling learners with what is being taught, and focus on students as individuals rather than just as a class. As a teacher to a generation of students who are immersed in technology, the videos provide me with an opportunity to connect with my students on their level while providing quality instruction, address individuals through in-class intervention, and most importantly, give my best as a teacher.